Eric, say something cute.
I don't.
Eric, do I have a lot of kisses for you?
Yeah.
Kisses for E?
Yeah.
There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. Eric, do you have muscles?
Where are your muscles, Eric? Can you show me?
Can you flex and show Mama your muscles?